Hello, designers! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning retro poster design. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced professional, this step-by-step guide will help you achieve an eye-catching vintage look with ease.
So let's begin. Set your document size to 1080 by 1350 px. Then grab the type tool and add your text. Make sure to choose a bold, impactful font. In my case, I'm using Nagasaki. I'm trying to add some spacing between the letters, but as you can see, this regular font looks very squeezed. Go to the free transform, perspective distort, then follow my steps. After that, use the line segment tool to create perspective lines for each letter. Follow me here. Next, use the Shape Builder tool to merge and fill the lines. Then choose any gradient color you like. I'm using a blue to purple gradient for mine. Convert the entire object into a compound path. Then, go to the File menu and choose Place to insert your photo. Adjust the image so it fits well with the design. I'll include the link to the photo in the description. Make a copy of the photo and move it aside. Next, go to Image Trace to turn it into a silhouette. You can find the Image Trace panel under the Window menu. Then expand it and adjust the placement to create a perspective shadow. After that, position it behind the text and apply a clipping mask. Follow me here.
Add some blur effect to the shadow shape, then place your text to the poster. Follow my steps.
Here, you can use the free transform tool and then free distort to adjust the text as it's shown here.
For the second text, we can use another trick to make looks fit with shape. We can use the 3D effect and rotate Follow My Steps.
In the final step, we will play with background. Use the rectangle tool to make a shape on the same size, then add your gradient color as it's shown here. Go to the Effect Gallery menu and Film Grain. Follow my steps. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to support the channel. It really helps us out.